Welcome back to our interview series. So we are continuing our discussion on cutting-edge advancements in gene therapy with Marvin. Marvin, thank you for staying with us.
Yeah, thank you. It's my pleasure to be here again, and let's dive into the next topic.
Absolutely. Could you provide insights into the background and objectives of the newly launched HUGO-GT program by Cyagen?
Certainly. The HUGO-GT program represents a significant leap forward in gene therapy research. Traditional mouse models, while valuable, have limitations in gene therapy applications due to their primary design for protein therapy. To overcome this challenge, Cyagen introduced the HUGO-GT whole genome humanized mouse model, purposely tailored for gene therapy and small RNA drug development.
Fascinating. How does the HUGO-GT model differ from traditional mouse models, and what are the advantages does it offer for gene therapy research?
Unlike traditional models, which either insert human genes randomly into a mouse genome or replace mouse gene with human coding sequences, the HUGO-GT model replaces mouse genes with human counterparts while retaining the complete human genome sequences, including introns, exons, UTRs, and regulatory sequences. This can not only faithfully mimic gene expression at physiological level, but also enable us precisely introduce the disease-specific mutations, providing a more accurate and adaptable platform for gene editing therapies. By mimicking human biology more closely, the HUGO-GT model enhances the translational relevance and efficacy of gene therapy research.
It sounds like a game changer for the field. Could you elaborate on the global HUGO-GT program and its objectives?
Certainly. Our global HUGO-GT program aims to expand the library of gene therapy mouse models through international collaborations. By partnering with researchers and institutions worldwide, we aim to accelerate research and treatment development for rare genetic disorders. The collaborative effort underscores our commitment to advancing gene therapy innovations and addressing unmet medical needs on a global scale.
Thank you, Marvin, for shedding light on the groundbreaking HUGO-GT program. It's clear that Cyagen is driving significant advancements in gene therapy research.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, my audience, for being here with us all the time. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.